Are you poor in Monopoly Go? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Monopoly Go, no jailbreak or computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just load it up, and I'm going to go over to the shop, and you're going to see the magic. This is crazy, bro. So let me just go over to the shop, and as you can see, guys, my resources are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to get a ton completely for free. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, so let's get right into it, guys. This is super cool, and what you want to do is go to this website, nolimitdice.com. This site has a ton of money you can get. So let me just type it in right here. So it's nolimitdice.com. So once you're on this website, we're just going to choose how much money we're going to add. Personally, I just like to do the max, but you can do whatever you want. So anyways, guys, now we have to put in our username and select our platform. So let me just enter that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. And then I'm just going to do my proceed button right here. So let me just type in my username. And then we just have to confirm it, press generate, and we're just going to wait for this to load. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second. All right. So before you can be rich, guys, you have to do a verification, which is really easy. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically, we're going to press verify. We just need to download some apps, complete the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. So as you can see, there's a huge list of apps on here. So they all are going to be different apps, but I'm going to do CoinMaster as my first one. It's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to download the app. So anyways, guys, while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. You want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure that this process does work. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over to the list. And for my next app, I'm going to do Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second. And now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So what are we doing tonight? Okay, CoinMaster's already done, so I'm going to open it up. I'm just going to do some basic interactions. Now, with some of these games, guys, you might have to reach a certain level. So let me just do that right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to run this, and it's really simple. So I'm just doing this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So yeah, it's not that hard, guys. So let me just run this right here, as you guys can see. All right. Just touching around. Super simple, bro. So I'm just doing this right here. All right. Spinning the coins, winning the game, bro. So I'm pretty much done with this app, so now I'm going to go and do the other one, which is the Travel Town, guys. So let me just do that right here. So once again, guys, you might see apps, you might see games. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just going to run this right here and just do some basic interactions. You might have to reach a certain level or something like that, but I'm just going to do this right here. I'm just going to play around with it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. Literally not that hard. So I'm just doing this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm just going to run this. Okay, yeah, this is really simple, to be honest. I'm not that fond of hard methods, so I'm just going to do this for a little bit more here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just running this. Okay, so yeah, we're pretty much done with this method, guys. So let's go and see if we're rich now or poor. So I'm going to open up Monopoly Go, and what is going to happen? Okay. Oh my gosh, you're going up like crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Super insane. It actually works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super insane, guys. I'm going to see you later, and peace out.